Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super fun video to share with you guys. I am going to be doing an unboxing. It's going to be another new planner. This one I am super excited about, so I just had to share it with you. And I am going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you the new planner that I decided to get for 2022, but also I'm going to share with you how I'm going to finagle a way to also use it for the rest of 2021. All right, let's get started. Today, I just received the Disney Oasis collection Happy Planner in the mail, and I was about to just open it and get to planning, and then it just felt really weird to not share it because life of a YouTuber, I feel like I need to share things like this when I get them in the mail because it's so exciting. So, in preparation of receiving this 12-month planner, I went ahead and got a 6-month edition. So I'm starting it in July, and these are add-on pages that I purchased in Michael's craft store, and this one is really geared towards teachers. It came with these sticker sheets, so I'm able to make the months accordingly for myself. So I was excited to be able to pick this up so that now that I have my planner, I can add these pages on and I can make it an 18-month planner. So that was great. Also, at Michael's, I found these adorable Disney themed Happy Planner stickers, and they're just so adorable. So I went ahead and picked that up as well. And these are all going to be perfect for my new Disney themed Happy Planner. If you're new to my channel, I am a travel agent who specializes in Disney travel, so this planner was just so perfect for me in every way. And this is the Happy Planner accessory pack, so lots of fun things in here. And I want to get right to the planner first before I open up any of the accessories because I'm just really excited to see it. So let me go ahead and take this out of the packaging and show you guys what it looks like. This is totally new to me. I have never ever had a Happy Planner before, and the thing that really made me most interested in it was the ability, like I said, to be able to add pages to it. I just think that is a great feature to have. Okay, so this is the lined vertical layout, and let me just pull this off. There we go. All right, so I'm going to take this off as well so we can take a good look at it. And I just think this is such a cute cover. It says plan your dreams, and it has all of these cute pictures of Mickey. I love this teal green color, and these have like little hearts, if you can see. So cute. And I also saw that you can replace these. I've seen packages of these little, I don't know what they're called, but like coil clip things sold as well. So I thought that was so cute. Here's just a little overview of what the vertical layout looks like. And it says, hello, this magical Happy Planner belongs to, and I can just put my name in here. Look at how cute Mickey is. I love the pictures in here. It's so, so adorable. Mickey and Minnie. And here's just like an overview of 2022 and 2023. And then here's all of the months with all of the days for special events and things like that, which is wonderful. And then it has January's months to-dos, notes, special holidays. I guess I could put like special events I can add to here. They already have New Year's Day and Martin Luther King Jr. Day, things that you're grateful for. And then this adorable picture of Minnie. And here is the layout of the month, which is wonderful. And it does have all of the holidays, and this has National Sticker Day. I guess it has some of the national days, which is super fun, especially for posting things on Instagram for the travel agency that I work for and things like that. It's always a lot of fun to have those dates on the calendar. So here is the layout, and this is totally new to me because let me show you what I'm currently using. So I'm currently using the Plum Paper Planner, and it really has things well categorized for me. So it has like my YouTube stuff up here, Mickey World travel work, my exercise routine, and then I have everything morning, afternoon, and this is evening and then dinner. So I really like this, but what I don't like about this is the Saturday and Sunday is on one little row here, which doesn't really work for me. And sometimes I don't want to categorize my day and my life in this way. I found myself doing less of writing things in here and more of writing them in here, if that makes any sense. So I am still using this planner. This is the planner that I'm using to quickly sketch down my schedule, because I'm always in a rush writing things down and then it never looks nice. So this is like my planner that I use to kind of jot down appointments and things like that really quickly, and I can kind of scribble things out and make a mess of it, and then at the end of every week I am going to go ahead and nicely, more organized, write everything down in here, because this gets really crazy, and by the end of the week it's really hard for me to read like what's coming up because I have a lot of scribble scrabble in it. So this is going to work out hopefully a lot better for me. And I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to lay it out yet. I might do like my most important appointments and to-dos on the top, and then I'll still do my kid activities and work things, and I'll probably still put the meals somewhere on the bottom. All right, let's do a quick flip through of the months, because obviously all the days are just gonna look like that. They're going to be the same. February is another cute picture with all the little Mickeys, just like the cover of the planner. And then March has this really cute picture of Mickey that says, always take the scenic route. Perfect. And again, it does label everything for you in the month, so I really love that. It has Mardi Gras, Ash Wednesday, International Women's Day, all the things. Spring begins, daylight savings, so I love that. May, let's see what's April. Okay, April is a very cute Minnie Mouse, collect moments, not things. And then we have May, which is kind of the same as the Mickey cover, but this is the Minnie Mouse edition of it. Super cute. And then June is my birthday month. Life is meant for friends and great adventures. How perfect. And I love all of these little flower pots with the Mickey and Minnies. That is super, super cute. And July, choose adventure always. Definitely. So again, especially since I work planning travel, I just feel like this book was really, really made for me. All right, so then we have August, Life is an Adventure. I think this is my favorite picture of Minnie Mouse. Really, really adorable. September, Follow Your Heart. October, really pretty colors. Look at that gold foiling on here. Absolutely beautiful. I really love the gold. And then November says, real magic happens when you are positively you. And then finally December, oh, and look, there's Mickey Mouse's birthday and Minnie Mouse's birthday. Friendsgiving, World Kindness Day, really wonderful, all of the things that they have labeled for you. And then finally December has this beautiful artwork of Mickey and Minnie traveling the world. What's this? The 85th anniversary of Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Wow, I didn't realize that movie was that old. Okay, and then we get to the end of the planner, and there's really not much. So if you're familiar with like the Erin Condren planner and things like that, there's usually lots of stuff at the end. This just has one page of notes and that's it. Then it's the end. So I'm sure you can add on to the back, because they do have, again, these like add-on pages, so that's great. And this whole stack is going to go in the front of the book, because like I said before, I am adding 6 months to this planner, so I can start planning now and kind of, you know, control my thoughts, because the planner that I'm currently using, let me just try to show you like a more recent day that doesn't have anything personal. Yeah, so like this is what my planner looks like right now. So my planner will look like this, and then I will write it in my new planner much more neatly and organized and less crazy, because I am having a hard time focusing on all of that because it's just so messy. So that is the plan. All right, let me show you my accessory pages here, because I'm curious. I really have no idea what's in there. So let's move this out of the way and we'll take a look at that. You guys will have to let me know in the comments below what planner you're using these days. I have a really hard time sticking with the same planner for like any period of time. I seem to outgrow them rather quickly lately. So I'm hoping this one will really work out well for me. I do still really like the plum paper planners, but I just made such a mess of the one that I have right now that I felt the need to move on. And especially once I saw that Disney edition, I just knew I had to have it, obviously. Okay, so here it looks like we have a bookmark, and then we have some really cute sticky notes. Look at this. So this is really adorable, but like I don't really think I could write very much on it. It might be good just for reminders for like booking dining for a client or fast passes when they come back, something like that. And then these little sticky notes as well are super cute. It's going to be a great day. Oh, this is a really great thing to have. So I can put this in the back of the planner, and it's like a little folder. So I can slip stickers in here, probably is what I will do, and just have easy access to it when I'm doing my planning for the week. And then here's just like a little sticker page, and it has these little Mickey Mouse. I guess I might use these for like, important reminders, things like that. This is so cute to do today. Just really, really adorable Mickey Mouse stickers. And then, oh, this is great. So here are a bunch of like add-on note pages. And like I was saying, I wasn't really thrilled about the book ending so quickly with just one page of notes. Like one page is not going to be quite enough for me. But these I can add either at the end of the book or at the end of every month if I have like notes, especially when I'm entertaining, like throwing parties and things like that around the holidays. It's really great to have a space to put notes. So that's really great. Okay, so that is everything. And I'm going to be sitting down now for quite a while and just putting this all together and adding on the extra 6 months and all of those things. But it really looks like it's going to work out well for me. I love all of the cute stickers that I can add on, and I love the flexibility of being able to add pages and things to this. So I feel like even if I totally messed up a page, I probably could just replace it because I do have extra pages now, and even if it doesn't look exactly the same, it might be a good idea if I really, you know, have scribble all over the place and I just can't focus looking at it. I do have the option of changing it up or pulling pages out and putting pages in if I needed to. So I think that's a wonderful thing. Really, really cute, and I'm really excited to start using it. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I really hope that you enjoyed seeing the new Disney Oasis Happy Planner. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed seeing my beautiful happy planner that makes me so happy. It's really super cute, really, really enjoying it. And please let me know in the comments below if you have been using one of these happy planners, or let me know what you have been using and how it's been working out for you. I'll leave a link to the Happy Planner website below. I am not sponsored. I don't even know if I have a referral. I don't think so, but if I do, that's the one I'll leave. Haven't even looked into it, but I love this. It's just super adorable. I'm still going to be enjoying my plum paper planner as well. I'm kind of doing both. I am doing my scribble scrabble in my plum paper, and then I'm doing like my very nice layout in my happy planner. So that's just the way I'm doing it right now until things settle down and I kind of can think straight and calm down and take the time to initially, you know, plan beautifully in this planner. But, you know, I just kind of go with the flow, see what's going on in my life, and see what I'm capable of doing at the time. But it's working out great for me. I hope you guys might decide to give it a try. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video anyway. Maybe it at least let you know a little bit more about the layout and what the Happy Planner is like, because it's all new to me as well. Thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you all really soon. Take care. Bye.